Hi guys.
Hi.
So we have today, it's called holographic Fizzygloop. I know it's backwards for you guys, or gloop.
But guess what? We have to guess our low. How about T-Rex?
Those are the dogs. It's a weird guess. We don't need them to guess that. So we're talking about the Fizzygloop, and it comes with everything you need, and it has sodium tetraborate, the Fizzygloop mix, which is citric acid and cornstarch.
So we're gonna need these ingredients.
And yeah, it has a cup. Looks like our activator. Looks like maybe some glue. Let's take a look at it. It's a solution, and then this is baking soda. Comes with a spoon and a cup or a stick, and you're gonna need 2 plastic cups and plate. So.
And if you have a copy, go get them and ask for a doll.
Yeah, we're gonna need some help. We're also gonna need some warm water. So we're getting our water
and cold
warm.
water.
So we'll be right back.
Hi.
Alright guys, we're back. We have 100 milliliters of water. And then it says to use a spoon provided and add 1 level spoonful of the sodium tetraborate into the warm water and stir until it dissolves. So we're gonna do a level spoon. Hold on. Okay, it's not mounded. All right, now pour it in and start to mix it. So this is going to be our activator. So we keep it off to the side. Then we put 10 milliliters of room temperature water with 2 spoonfuls of our activator and 1 spoonful of the Fizzygloop, and then set them aside in another cup. This is gonna be our more activator. And then once you have transferred it over into another cup, then you have to hand wash it. So it can affect the rest of the stuff, okay? So we'll be back after we do that. Okay guys, we're back. So it said now put 10 milliliters of room temperature water with 2 spoonfuls of our activator. So we're gonna do 1. And then 2. And then set them aside in another cup. I'm confused. Hold on. And 1 spoonful of Fizzygloop. You need 1 spoonful of Fizzygloop. Do you want to do this one? Hold on. Let me get it out for you. So it's level.
You know it's gonna be sticky.
Okay, now do it. And mix it in.
A sticky tab.
You gotta use both hands, kiddo. Hold the cup. No, hold the cup with one. And you do that with the other. Oh. Good. You need to relax, okay?
I want to get the fur from this charger. It looks like milk. So make it that looks like milk, okay? It's activated, make it like it's milk, but it's not milk. Don't drink it. It is not milk. It just needs to look like milk.
Okay, so in our beaker now we have our beaker here. Whoop. It says add 40 milliliters of your Fizzygloop solution and half a spoonful of baking soda. So yes, this is the baking soda and 40 milliliters of our Fizzygloop solution. No. All right, hold on guys, we'll be right back. Guys, we're back. So we're gonna do 40 milliliters of this stuff into the beaker. So we're looking for 40. It is so pretty. You can't even tell like from the camera, but it is super pretty.
You could see those reflections, but it's so pretty. If you had a copy, you could see that it has so glitter, and I wanna.
So much glitter.
Can I pour it?
Yeah, try and pour it in. This might have been filled. So, not too much more. So make sure that you can wash out the cup. And then we're going to try and, it says it's 70 milliliters, but I don't know if that's true. All right, so now we're close to it. So we're going to pour this in our beaker, okay? And then half a spoonful of baking soda. You can use, I suggest that you do your dry stuff before your wet stuff so your spoon doesn't get stuck. So I'll measure out a half, and then we'll pour that in the beaker, and then afterward we can get the wet stuff in there, okay? Mm-hmm. All right, so we don't want any residue on it because remember, with chemistry, all of the stuff that you have touch it makes a big difference. It can affect our reaction completely. It might make it too hard or too soft or something can go wrong. So we're going to do our dry first, and we're going to do a half of our teaspoon. All right, in the beaker, gently, carefully. All right, okay, cool. And now we're going to put this stuff in there. See if it'll pour. I don't know if it'll pour. You might need some help. Don't tip it beyond that. I don't want to have gloop all over the dogs. Gloop. Gloopy gloop. All right, let's try this. Let's get in here. And we're going to try with the spoon. All right, look, look, look. Check it out.
And it's so glittery.
It is so glittery. It's really pretty, guys.
And when we have my gloop, we'll be done and you can play with it.
So then, the half bowl, place your beaker in the middle of a plate because the next step gets messy. Uh-oh.
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 Messy part.
So let's do that.
Ow.
Hold on. And then slowly add the Fizzygloop activator solution into your beaker. No, this one. Until it reaches halfway at the top of the beaker. So only to the halfway part. Right?
To pour all of it?
No, only to the halfway part. Is it about half of it? Okay, leave it there. And is it doing anything? Okay.
It's kind
And then
of...
stir it.
Wait.
Once it starts to stir, it's going to start to fizz. Is it fizzing?
Kind of.
Oh, there it goes. Fizzy, fizzy.
Fizzy, fizzy.
Okay. Woo. All right. Gently, just like let it do its thing. Let it do its thing.
This was a good idea to share.
Okay, once it's done, guys, it'll do its thing. And once it's done, then we can go back and we can keep mixing it until it becomes our gloop. All right, we'll be right back. Guys, we're back. So we are playing with it to make it a lot more like slime.
But when you need to put it on something, grab a container.
Yeah, let's keep it so we can have it in a container. And again, it doesn't do it any justice, but it's super pretty. It's got like all these little glitters in it. And
Can't really see it.
you guys can't see it, but it looks like pretty foam, like ocean foam almost right now. So we're gonna keep mixing it, and then we have slime. Boo!
So I'm gonna pause. So we'll
Alright.
see you later.
Bye!
So we have made it.
Slimy. And it's super pretty. It looks like a snowball. It's gone wrong. Alright, see you guys next time.
Bye.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Polar Bear Show.
Bye.